At first, there were only brush-on metallic and ceramic anti-seize compounds. Then there were aerosols. Now you can protect your critical connections more efficiently and effectively with easy-to-use wrap-on anti-seize tapes from UNASCO. For nearly 40 years, UNASCO Proprietary Limited of Australia has manufactured a wide range of advanced fluoropolymer products. UNASCO's general thread sealing PTFE tapes are used worldwide in industrial applications, including air, water, sewage, and chemical processing. Specially formulated tapes are used in gas and oxygen applications. UNASCO also manufactures a unique line of metal tapes in nickel, copper, and ceramic materials. Each tape has unique properties for protecting virtually any type of threaded components. How often have you had to throw away a half-filled can of expensive anti-seize compound? UNASCO anti-seize tapes are an economical, clean, safe alternative to grease-type and aerosol compounds. There is no dripping, running, mixing, or cleanup after application. Tapes assure uniform thread coverage and have a longer shelf life. Anti-seize tapes are also easy to carry and can be applied to thread surfaces well in advance of making the connection. UNASCO tapes are non-toxic, non-flammable, and provide complete protection from corrosion, galling, pitting, dirt, and debris intrusion. Removal of nuts after extended periods of operation is far faster, reducing maintenance expense. In general, copper anti-seize tape is recommended for most metal connections with the exception of stainless steel and aluminum. Nickel flake tape has a higher temperature range and is recommended for stainless steel and aluminum threads. Ceramic tapes contain no metals and have the highest temperature rating. Ceramic tapes can also be used safely in food service applications. In addition to their versatility with a wide array of metals, UNASCO anti-seize tapes resist many chemicals frequently used in processing, such as strong alkaline solutions, most chemical and acid vapors, road salt, steam, salt and iodized water. Chemicals to be avoided include elemental sodium, potassium, and lithium, since these chemicals remove fluorine from the polymer molecules. UNASCO tapes are also not recommended for use in processes involving sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, metal hydrides such as boranes, for example B2H6, aluminum chloride, ammonia, certain amines, and 70% nitric acid and above. Here's another cautionary note. The metal in copper and nickel anti-seize tapes react with some acids. Where these conditions exist, ceramic anti-seize tape is recommended. Other safety precautions are contained in the Material Safety Data Sheet. Call or write for your copy of recommendations on your specific processing requirements. UNASCO anti-seize tapes are available in easy-to-use widths, 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch. The 1/2 inch width is recommended for threaded diameters up to 1.5 inches. Use the 3/4 inch size for larger diameters. UNASCO anti-seize tapes are easy and quick to apply. First, select the appropriate tape width for the threaded diameter to be protected. Clean the male and female threads thoroughly with a residue-free solvent. Wrap the tape around the male threads in the direction of the thread angle. Keep the tape under tension so the tape molds itself to the root of the thread. Use a spiral wrap that overlaps 50% of each wrap. Remember to follow the direction of the thread angle. Be sure the entire threaded portion is covered with the tape. Following these simple steps will ensure easy disassembly. When properly applied, anti-seize tapes add approximately 18 thousandths of an inch to the diameter of the male thread. All 3 UNASCO sealing tapes have a number of special benefits. The Teflon resin provides excellent lubricity during the assembly process. The nickel, copper, and ceramic powders acts as a slide or bearing plates between the mating surfaces. The tapes seal the thread to protect against corrosion, carbon fusion, rust, dirt, and grit. They are resistant to a broad range of chemicals. They are compatible with most metals, including stainless steel. They will not rub, scuff, or squeegee off threads. The material is compact, clean, and waste-free. UNASCO tapes are also non-toxic and non-flammable. UNASCO believes that their anti-seize tapes are far superior to any alternatives and is offering a free sample of one of their tapes for trial under your actual conditions. For a free sample, contact UNASCO Please indicate your choice of nickel, copper, or ceramic tape and the intended application. Also tell us what products are being processed, since UNASCO Anti-Seize tape is not recommended for certain applications. Join hundreds of satisfied customers worldwide who use UNASCO Anti-Seize tapes. Call 1-800-773-5413 for your free sample now.